Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A18 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So to start, we have to open the recents, and you can do it differently depending on which system navigation you've got set. If you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on this button with 3 bars icon. And as you can see right here, we've got all previously opened apps, and if you want, you can close them one by one manually just by swiping them up. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened, I highly recommend to simply tap on close all, and as you can see, we've got this information, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.